What makes a hero?
I think Yeshiva University.
Our amazing neighbors here in Washington Heights.
This past Sunday, Yeshiva University won their first ever Skyline Conference Championship.
We play for the Jewish people. There's nothing better than that.
Players wore warm-up shirts with the 11 names of those who lost their lives.
Lilo Nishmas, Ari Fold, Hashem Yikom Damo.
You're going to need newsprint and charcoal to start.
For you are the leaders of tomorrow. You are our future.